Hi, this is Shalene from CDOCS. In today's tip of the day, we're going to talk about how to properly preload your attachment templates. So when you get your attachment templates from SureSmile, it'll come into a bag that actually says attachment templates on that. If you need redundancy in checking and ensuring that that is indeed an attachment template tray, you will feel that it is much more flexible than actually your clinical aligner trays. And that's actually by strategy. The flexibility allows us to be able to insert the tray properly on our teeth, making sure that we can get a nice intimate contact, and then of course using the curing light, and then being able to retrieve that tray off without actually dislodging the attachments. So in terms of preparing that attachment template, what we recommend is creating an expression hole with a very fine burr. We use an ARS burr from Dentsply Sirona. On the external part, somewhere on the attachment well itself, you're going to go ahead and drill one of those expiration holes. On the inside of the attachment template, what you'll do is you'll put a thin coat of Vaseline, and then you'll use your composite or adhesive of choice, and you want to make sure that you slightly over bulk it. You don't want to under bulk it, because when you sit the attachment template on, there is a chance that there's going to be a gap between the composite itself and the facial surface of the tooth, such that when you cure it, they're actually not connecting. Over bulking ensures that you're going to be able to actually get an intimate contact there. And it's going to be a fine balance as you begin your journey in aligners in terms of how much overbulking is necessary to ensure that there's the least amount of flash. But you have something on your side. When you did that expression hole, path of least resistance is when you push the attachment template on, because the expression hole is on the facial side. A lot of the excess that is not needed when the composite hits the enamel surface of the tooth is actually going to expunge itself out through the expression hole. What you will then do is, as you're seating the tray, making sure all of the attachment edges are against the tooth itself, you're going to wipe away any excess that comes out of the expiration hole, and then go ahead and cure it. And then you've set yourself up for success for good attachment bonding to your teeth. I hope that this is of help, and don't forget to always enhance that orthodontic and restorative relationship, and always to refer your patients by the age of 7 to your local orthodontic team. Thank you so much.